Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I create videos on food and mukbang, okay? And please consider subscribing, like the video, comment on the video, and help this video to get to wider people by sharing it, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you guys another method which you can enjoy your noodles, okay? And to you, all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. You guys are the real MPVs. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, let me introduce my ingredients. So, guys, these are the things I'll be using to prepare my native noodles. I have my dried pepper. You can use fresh pepper if that is what you have. I have my noodles. I have my onion. I have scent leaf. You can use pumpkin leaf. I have here my beef. I have my red oil. So guys, let's start making our noodles. In a dry pan, I'll go in with my red oil. There's no point bleaching this red oil. I'll just let it to get hot before adding my next ingredients. Once the oil is hot enough, I'll go in with my onion and my garlic powder. I'm going to stir this, allow it to fry for a minute or two before adding in my next ingredient. I will add in my beef now, and I'm going to mix everything together until everything is well combined. I'm going to be adding my dry pepper now. I will mix until everything is well combined before adding the next ingredient. So at this point, you can add your crayfish if you like crayfish in your noodles. But I don't like the taste of crayfish in my noodles, so that's why I'm not using it. I'm going to mix everything until it is well combined. Then I'll be adding in my Indomie seasoning now. I will go in with my Indomie seasoning. I'll add in my noodles now, and I'm going to mix everything until it is well mixed. Then I'll go in with my scent leaf, okay? I'll add in my scent leaf now. I'll combine everything together until everything is well combined. I'll allow it to fry for about 2 minutes so that it can infuse its natural sweet natural flavor into these noodles, okay? Let me know, guys, what you think about this recipe. Did you enjoy watching this video? And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have watched me up to this point and you have not liked this video, please click on that like button, share my video to your families and your friends, okay? So guys, this is our end result. This is what our native concoction noodles is looking like. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.